So today I just want to explain some of the things we've done for Donna, which include using Bellafill, which is one of my favorite fillers because it gives such long-lasting results. And we use it in really a variety of areas throughout the mid-face, which is defined by this area kind of below the cheeks, all the way up along that cheekbone arch. Sometimes we'll even use a little bit through the temples just to soften where that can get a little bit hollowed out. And then of course in the nasolabial folds and the marionette lines as well. And you can see that Donna looks fantastic, she looks young, but all looks very natural. So fillers, don't have to come across as being overdone or exaggerating specific parts of the face. It can just all go together very naturally.